go in there. They're within 3 to 4 miles of the hospital. So when we talk about access and we talk about this, we're not talking about folks that are 12, 15 miles away. We're talking about people that are really in our immediate community, some of them just a half a mile away, that have a lower life expectancy with a hospital in your community. Now, I don't know what that means. This is just what the data came up with. So what we did was we have these maps, and then what we do now is put them together. Now, when I put them together, you see how I have kind of that belt right there? That belt that goes across the center. And then we see more pockets in Fulton than in DeKalb. Now, if I go here, what I've done with this map is we overlaid neighborhoods on top of it. Because a lot of times people will say, I'm from Mechanicsville, I'm from Vine City, I'm from different neighborhoods that they'll tell you, and I'll tell you a lot of people at Grady don't necessarily know where those neighborhoods are. So we developed this map to help our staff be able to understand with the patients that we're privileged to serve, where they come from and where it's located, and also what their zip codes are. And so if you can see here, this shows you just in a more projected manner with the neighborhoods. You see some of these neighborhoods are, you have 2 neighborhoods in a red, you have one part of the neighborhood that's red, one part of the neighborhood that's a different color. A lot of times that's where gentrification is occurring. If you look at that 30314 up there, you can kind of see where it's starting to change. And what this does is it gives you a graphic overview of where the need is. And so we put the neighborhoods on top of that. And that was actually Dr. Sanders' suggestion. You know, Dr. Sanders came to me and said, you know, Yolanda,